Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. Well, today we're going to do something we haven't done in a while. We're going to do another segment of the cleaning table. Haven't done one in a long time because I haven't really caught anything new lately to put in one of these videos. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be cleaning a Spanish mackerel. I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Alright guys, I got my Spanish mackerel here. I got just a few of them of the 20 that we caught the other day. I'm going to show you guys the simplest way to clean Spanish mackerel. They are the easiest fish to clean. You just put some pressure on and I come right off. Super easy fish. Just go right along that backbone. Come right off, guys. Show you one more time. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Super easy fish to clean. All right, guys, I got all the fillets ripped off, so now I'm going to show you how to skin one. Just basically get your knife started at the tail section. You need a really sharp knife. Go through just like that. And then they got a little bit of pin bones right here. Just come in, make one cut, make two cut, and cut this off right here. And there you go, guys. There is a perfect Spanish mackerel fillet. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you one more time. Start your knife right here. Don't put a lot of pressure because this skin is really thin and you can cut right through it. So basically you just want to glide right off the top of that skin, just like that. I got a little bit of skin on there, but that really doesn't matter, to be honest with you. You can get that pin bone out. One cut, two, and these little rib cages right here. There you go, guys. Absolutely perfect Spanish mackerel fillet. All right, y'all. Well, I got all my Spanish mackerel fillets cleaned. Got some really nice looking meat here. And this stuff is awesome, guys. It's really good fried. It's great blackened. It's awesome in smoked fish dip. It probably makes some of the best smoked fish dip that you'll get. This is some awesome stuff, guys. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a real quick video tutorial, how to clean a Spanish mackerel. Some of you probably already know how to do that, but I'm sure there's some folks out there that have never cleaned one and have caught some recently and kind of want to know how to clean one. They're super easy fish to clean. They're not real bony. That little pin bones come out real easy. The rib cage is really small. The only thing you really got to worry about is that skin. It's really thin and you can cut through it super easily. But if you do, that's not a big deal, guys. Go ahead and keep the fillet, fry it, do anything you want to do with it, blacken it, and it'll be just fine. Well, thank you guys very much for watching this video. Until I get to see you guys soon here on the water, tight lines, Jetty Rockers. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.